Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to talk about the Xbox mobile app stories feature that is coming soon. Right now it's rolled out in Australia. If I just go onto the Xbox app real quick and I let that load up, if you go to the main page on the Xbox app, as this rolls out to more and more users and more countries, you're going to see a stories feature similar to these circles that are posts from games. You'll see a stories feature just like you have on Instagram and Snapchat. If I go into this article, you can see here, if I zoom in on it from this article from The Verge, you can see there it says stories, and you can have your own stories about yourself playing games or anything like that, which is a pretty cool feature. I think it's going to be pretty nice to have that feature. I'll leave this article linked up in the description down below, so you can read about it in your own time. And when this feature is available on both iPhone and Android, I will be doing a video on that. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.